Hello YouTubers, this is Cookies12360 and I am going to be doing another accuracy test. Yes, I'm still wearing the same stuff because I'm doing this on the same day, so whatever. This time, it's going to be with the G36K. So, on the bottle, and then I actually set up a target because I figured that last time the box was not good enough. So, I am going to be right back over there by the pit, right there. And I'm going to be shooting at this cam, which will be 15 yards. So, let me set this thing up. Alright, 15 yards. Semi-automatic. I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, the first couple shots were off. I have not had time to bore sight this gun in yet. So, sad face. So, but when the bullets did hit, they did do destructive damage. Couple exit dents, but no really exit wounds. Unless I can make some from right here if y'all want. But I'm not going to be doing that because that would be awkward. So, never mind. So, now we are going to be doing this target at 25 yards away. This one, right here. Alright. So I am going to set this up. Don't know if y'all can see that or not. Hopefully this camera won't fall over. Oh then. Target's right there. Okay. I will be doing 25 yards. I'll be right back. Okay, definitely okay. There is a hole right here, right there. You can see that it did kind of spray because it is a machine gun. I was hitting the fence right there, a little bit down there, but I think that just went through. So I fired off about 100, 150 rounds. I got about 75 to 100 on this 8x12 paper. So that is fairly good. I was using the G36K with Javeline 23 gram BBs. Like I said, the gun was not sighted in, so sad face. So it did not do exactly what I expected, although that was at 25 yards. So that's about as good as I can get it. So, thank you for watching. I plan to be doing a couple more accuracy tests with better results. So, because I don't like those results. So, thank you for watching. This is Cookies12360 out.